Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. OMG guys, it's already 2020. Happy New Year's to you guys. Happy New Year's to you guys. How many times do I have to say guys in one video? OMG. New Year's resolution, no more saying guys. Anyways, Happy New Year's. I am back with my first video of 2020. As you guys can see, the background is a little bit different. I apologize if I keep on looking right over here. It's because I have the screen right there. That way I know that I am focused, because you know it's gonna be a crappy video if I'm not focused. Anyways, so before we get started on the video, I want to announce, by the way, the winner of the Jaclyn Hill palette. Right over here, the winner that I chose is, drumroll, Rama or Rumi. If you can send me your address through email or DM me on Instagram, I would highly appreciate it. That way I can send this to you right away. Thank you guys so much for all who entered. So you guys can see on the video, this is what we're gonna be doing. Guys, I'm still gonna be doing, guys, I said it again. Anyways, I'm still gonna be doing makeup tutorials. I just want to spice it up a little bit, you know, do something different on my channel. You know, I don't just love doing makeup, I also love doing other things. So why not put it all in one channel? You know, welcome guys. We're gonna be doing unboxing today. I've seen a lot of people who's done this, and I always find it so interesting, but it's a special type of unboxing because this bag right here, is so hard to find. Well, at least for me, it took me forever to get my hands on this, and I was so happy when I finally got my hands on it. Let's open it. So it comes with a ribbon. I actually ordered this online, guys, so it came with the regular box that they ship it in, and there you go. Let's not wait any longer. Oh, so inside it came with the care package, or care booklet. Care package. I mean, it'll be nice, Louis Vuitton, if I get a care package. And so this is what the dust bag looks like. I mean, my god, I almost dropped it. If you own a Louis Vuitton, there's nothing special in there. You already know what a dust bag looked like. And it's right here. I got the multi Pochette Accessoires or accessories, and I got it in the khaki color. I was debating whether I should get the pink one, but I thought, I don't want to always have to baby my bag. I just want to have a bag that I can throw really quickly and not have to worry about staining it. So I said I'm just gonna get the khaki one, although the pink one was really pretty as well. And inside it, let me check this out first, because Louis Vuitton be having some defective products. I mean, not all the time though. So far so good, guys. This is what it looks like. I can tell you that this is a lot softer than, you know, my other, well, my Speedy bags. I really like this because it feels like it's stretchable too, like you can stuff a lot. And this one is the smaller pochette. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And this is the crossbody. It's like a seatbelt material. And then the coin purse. I'm also gonna tell you guys the story on how I scored this bag, so wait a minute, kaping mainit. This is the coin purse. Oh my gosh. So it's the larger logo right here, and on the other side it's the smaller logo. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So far it's so good. I mean, the zipper is always the best when it comes to Louis Vuitton. And then the chain. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this first, and I'll be right back to tell you guys the story on how I scored this beautiful bag. Alrighty guys, I am back, and this is what she looks like put together. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. When I saw Rihanna wearing this bag, I thought, oh my gosh, that's so beautiful, I gotta have it. So as soon as the bag came out or released in stores or in boutiques, I said I gotta have it. I went to the boutique and asked if they have anything available, and they said they were all sold out. And I was so bummed because I was pretty late on pre-ordering it. If I pre-ordered, you know, when it first released, I would have saved about 90 bucks because they raised it, you know, now, which is totally fine. I feel like it's still worth it, the fact that you can wear it, you know, multiple ways. The guy that was helping me out said that they are permanent. So I said, you know what, it's okay, I'm just gonna wait, you know, maybe until next month till they get it in. But fast forward to January, I still don't have my bag. So can you
that's not what happened when we went there.
Oh, why don't you come here then? Come on in here. But it seems like my fiance wants to be in this video. Come on. You already wet your hair like you wanted to be in here. Come on. So this is my fiance, Danny. He's actually the one that bought me this beautiful thing for my birthday, which is coming up. Thank you so much. Okay, my love. So tell the story. Why do you seem like you're frozen up?
No,
like earlier you were. Okay, come on. So when we went to the boutique.
When we went to the boutique when it released, yes, they said they didn't have it. But the guy checked his little...
Why do you sound so mad? Okay, come on.
But then the guy checked his little handheld, his iPhone or whatever, and he said they actually had one at another store. So we kind of got our hopes up because he was like, oh, you know, we can order it here and then we can just ship it to you. But I guess he had to contact the other store first to see if the bag was still there. So when he actually came back, he was like, you know what, sorry.
It's already spoken
sold,
for.
yeah.
It's already
they already
sold.
Gave it to one of their clients over there.
But so. He said it was permanent collection, so I said I'm gonna just wait then, you know, maybe I'll have it by next month, you know. So I waited and waited and waited and nothing. So since November, you know, before Christmas, I was looking for gifts for, you know, my family, and I said,
and
you know what, and myself, my gift for myself. So you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and, you know, try my luck and see if they have it. So I went to the boutique and they were sold out, and they kept on telling us that you have to be on the waiting list. You have to be on the waiting list, but yet they don't take any more people on the waiting list because there's so many people that want this bag. So I just bothered him to keep on calling. I was actually refreshing on the online site to see if they would, you know, they would restock, but no luck. So I kept on asking him to call.
Yeah, so basically I called every day.
Not every day.
No, every day for almost a month straight.
No, 2 weeks.
Okay, every day for like 2 weeks. And it's really a gamble though, because you get a bunch of different, what are they called? Client people?
Yeah, client services.
Yeah.
Like,
and some are helpful, some are not. I mean, it just kind of depends. Some are very friendly. Yeah, we got a couple that actually checked the system and like, oh yeah, you know, Rodeo Drive has some. You know, we can't guarantee it, but they have limited stock. So that's when we, you know, what she's saying, we would try. We drove to like Rodeo Drive.
Yeah, we drove to Rodeo Drive.
That's when they told us, oh, you know, that store does a waiting list. Yeah, the client people on the phone, they actually say each store can either do a waiting list or they can do kind of like a free-for-all. It kind of just depends on the store and the location.
So tell the story. So then she kept on calling like
For
almost every
like a
day,
month.
and then we got this. My gosh, you are an angel, CA on the phone, the customer service. At first, you know, we asked. I also wanted the nano bag, which I got. So I'm gonna also do an unboxing for that and a review. Oh, I haven't used it because I'm so scared to use it. So we're getting sidetracked here. So we were able to get a hold of one of the CA online.
A helpful one.
A very helpful
on the
one.
phone, not
on
online.
the phone, yes, online, sorry, on the phone. Because a lot of them are like wishy-washy. Like they will tell you something different, and then when you talk to another CA, they'll tell you something different as well. So, but this person,
I mean, yeah, this one, she basically was straight up. She checked and she said, you know what, sorry, we don't have any. But you know, if you like that multi-Pochette, here's another one that's coming out soon.
yes, in January.
Yeah, that you might like. And then she emailed me like a couple pictures.
It's already out online. It's the patchwork one, which had like the red one. Yeah, the denim one, the patchwork denim one. And I thought it was so beautiful because of the strap, the red strap, the red slash, the red sash. Oh, sash. That's not a sash. What's crazy? On the 26th after Christmas, I received a phone call. I was like, oh my gosh,
and
babe.
the phone call was actually really late at night, probably what?
9?
Like 9?
No, 8:30. Almost 9.
No, like, yeah.
Yeah, 8:30.
Pretty late, like our time, like 8:50, almost 9 o'clock.
So I was like, oh my gosh, you know, this is the Louis Vuitton number. Maybe it's, you know, the client service. So then he had called back and was able to get a hold of the person that was helping us for the multi-Pochette,
the denim one.
The denim one. And you know, while he was on the phone, he was asking me, do you still want the denim? And I was like, no, actually I'm iffy about it. And then what else did
that's it. And then basically I just told her, you know, that she changed her mind and she didn't want the denim, you know, apologetic of course. And then the CA was like, you know what, if you still want the khaki,
we're
place the order for you to get the khaki.
Yes, because they're restocking them in, or was it, I don't, what is it, like they're getting some in, getting them in. And she said that she's been trying to call other people who were on the waiting list, but they didn't pick up. So luckily I called back right when, you know, she called, maybe like 10 minutes after she called, and then she was able to put me on the list. So he placed the order, and then they actually took the money right away in our bank account. We just waited 2 weeks after.
Yeah, it's been like a week and a half.
Like 2 weeks, 26, and then today the 6th. So about 2 weeks until they actually shipped it. And
she actually overnighted free of charge.
I know, it was so fast. Like literally when it says ship, the next day I got it already, which was today. So yesterday it says shipped, and then I got it today already. So that was basically the story. I just guess I got lucky, you know. I was able to speak to or he was able to speak to someone that's very helpful. I don't know if it's still, you know,
sold
like
out.
I think it's still sold out online, but it's sought after. I don't know if people are still on the waiting list. If you are trying to get this bag, let me know. Why do I sound like I have a list? If you are trying to get this bag, let me know down below if you are if you are on the waiting list. That way, you know, I can see if actually I don't know if I can see, but let me know down below.
You don't have any hookups.
I don't have any.
We just happen to get someone really nice and someone that just, you know.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not telling you that I have hookups, okay? But I'm just telling you, like, let me know what your experience are. I want to know what your experience are if you're trying to get this bag. If you have been on the waiting list for, you know, so long, 4 months, like I mean, I wasn't on the waiting list because they wouldn't add me on the waiting list. But, you know, how long were you guys waiting to get this bag? So anyways guys, let me just end this video because it's just gonna go really long. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you did enjoy this, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also hit that notification bell, that way you can get notified every time I upload. Let me know guys if you want me to do, you know, a review on this. I have been wearing this for almost a month now. So if you want me to do a review on this and see what I think about it or how I like it, let me know, because I'll be happy to do another luxury type of videos for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.